Hi guys, this is Penelope Crystal Retail. So today I'm going to open
We have here is Bell Glow. So as you can see, it looks like a very orange gecko. But this gecko is actually composed of two genes.
So hard! Oh my god!
The more orange or the more tiny the
Waste
gecko
it
is, the
there.
more expensive it is. Tinawag itong leopard gecko dahil ang balat ay may mga spots na hawig sa isang leopard. Advisable raw itong maging pet dahil
Yeah,
sa
scissors.
at hindi magastos alagaan. Mabubuhay po siya sa isang ganitong storage box with a height at a food. Pag height niya, dapat dark siya kasi since may
So cool. Oh my god!
pagkain nila, worm lang. Super worm, no worms. Pero, ano nga ba ang kaibahan ng leopard gecko?
Sis, can you please get scissors?
Okay, gecko.
No.
Why? I need scissors. I don't open here.
Or uncommon gecko that we hear makes the sound. That's actually under the non-eyelid classification of geckos. Where the lesser geckos are actually eyelid geckos.
Oh my
At
gosh!
dahil walang eyelid ang mga tuko, kailangan itong dilaan ang mata para magkaroon ng moisture. Habang ang leopard gecko ay kukurap lang para magka-moisture.
Just what that?
Up in trees or in areas that are elevated. Leopard gecko
Now open the mixture
Not yet.
and roll it so you'll see the mixture.
Where is it?
You see an arrow.
Here.
tahimik lang. At in terms of
You
behavior,
guys see it?
geckos, whether they're cocktail or wild caught, they're known to be generally very aggressive.
Got it.
Generally,
Going to open it.
very friendly, very aggressive. Sa ngayon, marami ang nag-aalaga ng leopard gecko.
Be careful, Penelope.
Kulay.
Ah, you ripped it!
This is so hard to open.
People to learn more about the gecko, to learn more about genetics. Hindi naman namin habang yung market na nakapagbenta, ang habang namin, maparaming magagandang gecko sa Pilipinas.
Okay, now show us the mixtures. First, we've got unicorn food. Next, we've got some unicorn magic. Next, we got. We'll see that later. But let's open it already.
Let me open my.
We spit up some gold. But I see some glitter.
How is that glitter on me? Let's open that later. Okay.
Why? It's a spoon.
Are you ready? No, that's a spoon.
Open it, open it, open it. Open the jar, open the jar.
I don't know. It's like a circle. Look, it's a circle. I can tell it's a circle. Do you see it? It looks like a circle.
A circle.
I got it.
Unicorn sparkle. I love that.
Okay, let's get. Hey, where's this stuff? Why is this stuff?
I think you've got gold slime. Unicorn bling.
You can play.
In the instructions.
Oh my god! Oh, I have
That
that.
looks so cute, but let's stake it out.
Look, I think I'm going to get some of these sodas.
Hey!
Stop! Stop the camera. I think I'm going to get some of these sodas. Look. Whoa, look at that. It's so pretty. And then these stuff. See it? And then let's see the back. Whoa. Look at these milkshakes. Look at them. They're so pretty. So let's see what I get later. So let's see what I get. This, get me scissors. I'm calling. Give me scissors. I have no scissors in there. Sis, get scissors. You're taking so long.
Here she comes, using the open.
Hey, don't open anything yet. Oh, I opened it. I opened it. Oh, I opened it. I got a soda bottle. It is a soda bottle. Ta-da. It's got a soda bottle.
It says Poopster
Poopster.
Energy. Cool.
Let's open this. I know this is my poopy.
We're gonna open the poop.
Yes. This is accidentally open. It's open. If I squeeze that, don't just place it here. If I squeeze that, it like spread some glitter on me. What's this? What do you think is this? Okay.
Unicorn bling.
Yeah, it's unicorn bling, but what is inside? It's kind of like. My sister's looking for scissors. Haha, that's what you get.
I got your beautiful character open.
Wow, look at this girl.
She has a unicorn horn.
She feels so heavy. Look at the inside, it's
we
black.
got something gold.
Do you think we got something rare? I don't know.
It says it only has pink.
How do we open this inside? Look. It's so hard to open.
Oh, there are a lot that has gold slime.
Oh, we opened it from the bottom. I'm so... I found something inside. I found something inside. You can't take it out.
I'll take it out for you.
I think I got the gold slime.
No, you don't. You got pink slime. It's the cup.
Cup. Oh, yeah, it's a cup. Oh, let me open the cup. The cup is pink again. The one that I had last time. Remember? It was pink.
Yes. But you've got pink slime ongoing.
Wait, this... Oh, I thought that was a thing. But that was just...
You know her name?
No,
Dump in the night.
it's pink.
Hey, Dump.
Dump in the
Her name
night.
is Dump in the night. Dump in the night. Dump in the night.
Okay, so we got this
Make unicorn.
and this.
Fill in the cup.
Hey, what? You fill it up. Fill the cup.
15 ml.
Line it on the line, okay? We are going to, oh, okay, I'm so sorry. So we're going to place it in here, in this bowl. Wait, okay, I said. Looks like there's like water spilling at me. Why is it every time? Dude, it's...
I've got you some water.
Just place it here. Now what? Now what do we have to do? I'm not very much good at this. Oh my gosh. Come on. You're bigger than me. You're just 8 years old.
Add 5 drops of the surprise of the scent bottle.
This is the scent bottle.
No scissors. On the road.
Check! Why don't you check? Just check. Go away. Check in the kitchen.
Sobrang important.
She's kind of rude.
Kasi yung foundation, ang
I love this song.
madalas very open. Pag may sinabi silang suggestion,
It's magic.
and vice versa. Tapos,
Congratulations to me.
so, lahat ng expenses, alam nila, tapos sila, ganun din. Andun siguro yung honesty namin sa bawat isa. Integrity and doon yung division of work,
I am waiting.
about soul therapy.
Hey, I'm not like your maid or something. Put here, put on 5 drops. Please on 5 drops, I can't open it. I'll open it for you.
Kasi pag ganun, parang hindi ka napapagod.
Seriously.
Tapos, huwag matakot mag-try.
Oh, give me that.
Meron
I'm
kang
good at
trabaho,
that. Ah!
gusto mo, at alam mo
Ah!
kung ano.
Big sister, do it. She has a rollerblade, by the way. That'll be in the second video, by the way. What do I keep saying, by the way? I'm so bad at this. By the way. Oh my gosh. OMG. That's the name. Oh my gosh. Here we go. OMG. Open it. Yourself. So someone else big nails here? What? This soda pop, I love it. It says Poopster. Cool, right? Poopster, you're a poopster. Yeah, she's a poopster. There she goes with the ball pit again. Yeah! She's doing some karate kicks. Ow. And she hurt her own self with bleeding hands. Mommy! Let mommy open that. It's so tired. I just have a bottle of water here, dirty water, and then if the slime is done, I'm going to place it here. My buddy. She's my bodyguard. Hey, why are you not showing up yourself? Look at her. She has a glittering horn. Look at the glittering horn. And then she's like wacky. Look at her mouth. It's like wacky. I'm going to place her here. Oh, she doesn't fit. Oh, okay. Let's see it. She doesn't fit. I'm so sad she doesn't fit in here. Ah! Come on! When are you here? Sis! S-A-S-I-S. Sis. S-I. I am sorry. Mom's killing your scent bottle. I'm just kidding. Where's my scent bottle? Where's my scent bottle? You wait. Give me. Just 5 drops. Got it. 5 drops. Yes, 5. It smells like strawberry. Can I smell? Smell it, guys. It smells bad to me. No, it doesn't. So let's go. 1. I can't. 1, 2, 2. Get down. 3. This is so slippery. 3. Excuse me. 3. 2. 2 more. 3, 4. I don't know why am I close to the camera. Okay, that's 5. That was 5. Next, what do we do? Next is it says open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle. Unicorn food package. Where is it? Unicorn. Into the bottle. Unicorn food. Is this food? Yes. Okay. It smells like drink. It smells so yummy, by the way. I'm so happy. Ah! unicorn food inside the bottle. The bottle or this bottle? That's a measuring cup. Oh, well. Don't pop it too much. There's none. There's none coming out. You have no scissors, though. That's what you get. Wait on. Wait, Kalam. Wait. I forgot. Okay, there's nothing inside, by the way. Boop, boop. Mommy! Open! Just open a little because there's something inside. Open! There's something inside. And place it in here. Okay, she's opening with her hands. If you open it with your tail, you will eat it, and that's surprise. By the way. Unicorn food. Tasty. Ew! Let our mommy do it. It's always a mommy. Look at the view, by the way. It's so pretty. Oh, can't see it. Oh my God, our house is so big. It's a mansion. But this is the only third spot because we don't have much money here. I'm just kidding. We're in a tower. Where's the pink? Because it is strawberry, right? It's gonna turn to... Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God. That was so big. I'm trying to get it up. Okay. Okay. As you can see, there's a lot already there. See it? Okay. Here you go. This is trash. Throw this in the trash can. Sis, throw this in the trash can. Okay, it's pink inside right now. Do you see it? It's pink. It's very pink. Okay, now what's next? It says, tightly replace the lid on the bottle, then hold the lid and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the slime to harden. Don't! What do you mean? It says don't. Just shake. I don't know what. She is so crazy. I know what it means. We've done this before, right? But there's no video because we actually forgot because we are too excited. Now, by the way, I have short hair. Ah! My sister has no blow glasses. She has new glasses. Like in the other videos that you saw like, what colors are her glasses? Blue. Yeah. The blue one with the tiger things there. I mean, I have glasses. Bottle already. Pour this bottle inside? Yes. And what? I have to shake it? Yeah, shake it for 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Done. Now don't open it yet. Okay, now what time? You have to wait for 15 to 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. So see you guys in the next video. What do you mean? 15 to 20 minutes. Oh yeah. That's 10 minutes. We're going to be here later.